Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Finding with Jessie, the life coach. I hope everybody's having a beautiful and fabulous day. If you're new here, my name is Jessie. I am a life coach and we talk about everything to get your life organized and in order, including your mind. So guys, what are we talking about today? So today I'm going to be talking about the phenomenon of attachment. Because if you want change in your life, which most people, that's what they want. That's like their goal, especially for this year 2021. I think a lot of people felt stuck. A lot of people feel like, oh my God, I'm just ready for that change. There's been a lot of hashtags all over the place. New year, new me, right? Everybody has seen them. They're all over the place. And everybody talks about change. But what they don't see is that they are addicted. I mean, addicted to their attachments. So in order for you to literally seek change, you have to detach from your attachments. And people are attached to so many things. And I hear it all the time, especially when I'm coaching or just interact with people. They are attached to mindsets. They are attached to people. They are attached to old programming. And in order for you to move forward, you have to be able to actually see the attachment and then detach from it. And that's in anything in life. Like I was coaching someone the other day and the first thing I heard is, oh, I can't do that, right? I did a video not too long about fridge organization. And I was like, there's no way I can do that. Have you tried? No, right? It's just deprogramming because you're just so used to doing it the same way you've always done it. So in your mind, you're like, I can't do it. There's no other way for me. But you haven't tried any other ways, right? There's people who are like attached to other individuals and they have no idea why they cannot break free. And it's because they rely on them, right? They have the false sense of security, a false sense of safety. And they don't want to take that leap. There's people attached to old jobs that they're like, I hate this job, but they will not leave because they're like, well, I invested too much, too many years. Attachment. You have to release your old attachments. You want change in your life? Start looking at what you are attached to. A lot of people are attached to belief systems. I was coaching someone probably like last year, and this woman had a situation that she was, married. Her husband was cheating on her, repeatedly, and he was abusive. Her attachment was to her faith and her religion and what she's been told. And what she has been told was that divorce was not a thing. Like it was not the move to make. It was considered a sin. But meanwhile, the woman was completely and utterly miserable to the point that she was actually considering committing suicide. So you have to really start thinking about the things that you are attached to and why are you attached to it? Is it bringing you peace? Is it bringing you a sense of balance in your life? If it is not, then it's time to try something new, something different. People need to be able to open up their mind. Try it before you knock it. Give it a fighting chance. If you're already saying no, I can't, I won't, it won't work, this doesn't work for me, there's no way out, then of course that is all you are going to project. That is all you are going to see. If you believe that all doors are closed, you will only see closed doors. This is a psychological fact. So remember, it all starts with your mind. Start looking at those attachments if you truly want change and start thinking about how you can reprogram those old programmings, those old belief systems, and go towards what you want. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.